How to manually track and report SLA breaches without a PSA or automation platform. A service level agreement, or SLA, defines the level of service a client expects and sets clear standards for performance. When an SLA is breached, it damages trust in internal IT teams and can even cost MSPs contract renewals. That's why technicians need scalable ways to quickly identify and fix systems that fall out of compliance. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Define SLA parameters for each client. Clear SLA metrics help align client expectations with the service your team actually delivers. Without clearly defined metrics, manual SLA tracking can become inconsistent, leading to vague standards and client confusion. To get started, here are some key SLA metrics you should define. First, response time. Create labels that show how much time can pass between when a ticket is created and when someone responds. For example, P1 could represent 1 business hour. P2 could represent 4 business hours. P3 could represent 1 business day. Resolution time. This defines the maximum amount of time technicians should take to resolve an issue. Operating hours. This metric improves time tracking by clearly defining when timers start and stop based on conditions like business hours and holidays. Escalation. This defines who gets notified during an escalation. You can set it to trigger when a certain percentage of the resolution time has passed. For example, this can be done at 50% of an 8-hour limit. Manually logging SLA monitoring results using spreadsheets. Spreadsheets can use built-in logic to turn basic ticket details into clear deadlines, and even give you early warnings before an SLA is missed. Keep one sheet with each client's SLA settings and another where technicians log tickets. Then set up formulas to flag potential breaches and at-risk devices automatically. To do this, create a spreadsheet that clearly outlines your SLA parameters. Then create another spreadsheet and use fields like target hours, SLA deadline, and percent of time elapsed to track tickets clearly and see whether they're still within SLA. Daily monitoring practices to prevent an SLA breach. Assign a technician to review open tickets in the SLA tracking spreadsheet each day. Their role is to spot at-risk tickets, keep service on track, and prevent SLA breaches. Flag tickets that need attention and escalate them if they pass the set SLA threshold. Be sure to document every action taken so you maintain a clear audit trail for client meetings and QBRs. You can effectively track SLA compliance without a PSA or full automation stack by using spreadsheets with defined SLA parameters and simple scripts. With a consistent process, MSPs and internal IT teams can proactively spot risks, and this strengthens client trust through reliable service and clear communication. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to manually track and report SLA breaches linked in the description below.